Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert or draw a curved connector in your slides and presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that presentation, add a new slide, and remove also that text box here. So guys, now we have some space here. So what you want to do is click into that arrow down icon next to the connector menu at the top and switch from the this connector here to one of these curved connectors. So which one you go with is up to you. You can go with one with ends with arrows, or one like this, or this one. I will go with this one, and after that draw it all. That's not the best example, so let me repeat that. Left click to set your start point, then hold your left mouse, drag your curved connector and release a left mouse to set this endpoint. And now you can customize the position of these points as well by clicking into these handles. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.